45-degree miter cut can be easily achieved like this too. An even whiteboard can be cut straight and clean. The Saw Guide Mini is definitely the indispensable tool for your precise woodworking project. Now let's see just how precise the work can be done using the Saw Guide Mini. Look, isn't it amazing? Without the Saw Guide, it would never be so easy to get a high-quality cut like this. The result is clear. Using the Saw Guide Mini, a satisfying result is guaranteed. The compact body of the Saw Guide Mini doesn't limit your working space. A desk is spacious enough for your work with the Saw Guide Mini. Even the difficult miter photo frame can be done very nicely with the Saw Guide Mini. How about rolling up your sleeves and crafting a piece of furniture as a present for someone? You're sure to make that person happy. For your next project, do give the Life Saw and Saw Guide series a try.